getting the back screen. No?
Yes.
Till late night. See, as our sports chairman is continuously reminding me from morning, she is the donor for today's Bella Candy. Sarita, kindly give a roll. Words of encouragement from your side.
Good evening to all. Good evening to all participants, parents and organizers. Very beautiful function, rather it is a good competition. Very happy to see all kids and eagerly waiting for their prizes to be distributed. Since 4 o'clock evening, all have participated and taken a good participation in chess competition. Most of the participants who have made it to the final, they are very happy. Just now I was observing all the kids who have won, they were cheering. It is very important to participate rather than winning. All other participants who have not made up to the final need not to get depressed. So participation is very important. You will come to know what is the type of competition and who are all the competitors. You will meet students, different types of friends and from different schools, different districts, village, like that. That is the advantage of participating in such competition. You will get exposed to different types of people. So it gives a lot of knowledge in your future life. Many of you have seen the MS Dhoni movie, I think. It's a very good movie where a boy rises to the international level. There, the poverty and hungry and need makes the person to rise to that level. So all of you should have that enthusiasm in you to rise to that level. Like Vishwanathan Anand, I hope all will become such a great personality. Parents also, with patience, they have come here and they are also enthusiastic along with their kids. So I was talking to my friends here, they were telling after involvement in the chess, they have improved a lot, that too in mathematics. So whatever the question he was asked, so he was ready to give answer. That's very good development. So I also request the participants, kids, to inculcate this technique of chess in their life also. How to move the coins, soldier, king, queen, all that steps, they also comes in our life also. In future competitive world, we have to be ready for future world. So this chess helps a lot. And even in your education schools and your curriculum also, you can improve a lot. So this is a very good game. So along with this, please inculcate good life values and become a good human being and become a good Indian citizen. I wish a very success to this competition, and I request the organizers to conduct such a good competition and other types of competitions also, so that our kids will get exposed to different types of competitions and they will, important is that they will lose the stage fear. So it gives a lot of courage. So I once again request the organizers to conduct such a competitions again and again. I wish a good success to this program. I thank one and all who have given me an opportunity to participate in this program, and I thank one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. Sir, just for your information, we are conducting the swimming competition, the table tennis, the badminton, the tennis. This is the chess. We are the first people to conduct floodlight chess tournament in and around erstwhile South Canberra. In fact, copying us now, we just received an information that Kundapur is hosting the first ever floodlight chess tournament end of February.